Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video of a Samsung power supply board BN44-00447A, which is used in a number of 59 and 64-inch plasma TVs. By 2021, they are maybe 7-8 years old by now, but there are a lot of customers that tell us they like their plasmas more than some of the TVs, or actually all of the TVs that are out there. Who are we to judge? And in this case, this is a board that a customer has sent and needs to make sure. Today is the 20th of May 2021. And this is the label on the side of the board. This one will be being tested in an actual TV set that is by chance here for testing. Most of the times we test board on the bench to make sure that it works fine, and testing this one is nothing much different than the videos that we have for other Samsung plasma power supply boards. It can be tested outside, and the problem that it usually shows can also be illustrated and achieved if it is tested just on a bench. And the typical problem is that it does not produce VS output voltage. The TV, the symptoms that are experienced by viewers are that the TV may suddenly lose image as it works, or it may never come up, and sometimes it may come up and disappear, or may not come up at all in the beginning and then show up later on. And eventually there may be a loud crack and the TV may stop starting up. But it can work without image, with sound, which many times points to a bad Y-sustain board. The infamous capacitors here that are driving the VE. But in many cases it can actually be the power board. If the power board is tested outside of the TV, it has to be activated, and if the VS doesn't show up, this is where the problem is. Now, to the functionality proof, I'm not going to show the whole thing. Just hit the menu here on the remote menu so that you can see the menu showing up, and that should be enough. The board is working fine. So we'll be sending it back. Hope that helps other people as well. Thank you, and best of luck with your repairs.